So I tend to get a little carried away with things. Had the car all painted up, and I couldn't deal with the ugly engine. So I painted the engine while it was in the car still. And then didn't like the way the exhaust manifolds looked. So what I did, got a little of the VHT, sprayed in my cap. And just brush it on there. And it looks a lot better. Not 100% certain how well it will hold up. We will find out once I get it running. But it looks a lot better than the rust and a little bit of blue overspray that I got on there. I actually painted the chassis with a brush and out of a quart also, just to make it look a little cleaner. I'll show a little bit more once I get it put together, but for now, 71 GTO is coming together.